In a televised statement on March 18, Houthi military spokesman Yahya Sarea claimed, without providing evidence, that the group had launched a third attack on the U.S. aircraft carrier USS Harry S, Truman in the Red Sea. He also stated that a U.S. destroyer had been targeted and vowed that the Houthis would continue their attacks on all hostile targets in the Red Sea and Arabian Sea until aggression against their country ceased.
Over the past few hours, the Yemeni armed forces have successfully targeted the U.S. aircraft carrier USS Harry Truman in the northern Red Sea with 2 cruise missiles and 2 drones, and targeted a U.S. destroyer with a cruise missile and 4 drones. The targeting of the aircraft carrier is the third in the past 48 hours. The enemy was struck by a state of confusion, which prompted many of its warships to retreat towards the northern Red Sea region, and an air attack that was being prepared against our country was thwarted. The U.S. aggressor bears all the consequences of militarizing the Red Sea and expanding the scope of confrontation by continuing its aggression against Yemen, which negatively impacts international shipping traffic. The Yemeni armed forces affirm that they will not cease targeting all hostile targets in the Red Sea and the Arabian Sea until the aggression against our country stops. They are prepared, relying on Allah, to confront any American or Israeli escalation in the coming hours and days.
Since November 2023, the Houthis have repeatedly fired drones and missiles at Israel and attacked international shipping near Yemen in support of Palestinians amid Israel's conflict with Hamas. In response, the U.S., Britain, and Israel have carried out airstrikes.